up? So welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Emily. Nice to meet you guys. So today I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to show you guys 3 of my favorite hairstyles at the moment. I actually put these together like in the past few weeks, so yeah. They're actually really simple. All you really need is 3 hair ties at most, and a straightener, curling iron, or a curling wand, whatever you decide to curl your hair with. And FYI, it's not like your whole hair, it's just going to be like literally your bangs. If you have fringe bangs, that is cute too. You don't have to curl it, not unless you want to do a little, you know, the little pin-up kind of curl. But yeah, so with further ado, let's, you know, get into it. So for the first hairstyle, all you really have to do is just part your hair. I usually part my hair in the center. Grab your bangs, and then you're gonna grab the rest of your hair, and you're going to put a low ponytail, and don't tie it like too tight because you want to have some space to be able to pull out the hair on the side so it looks messy. And I don't know about you guys, but personally I like when my hair is just voluminous and messy. So you just pull and tug on the side on however you like them, and if you do need to like loosen your ponytail a little bit, you can just pull your ponytail or hair tie just down the ponytail, if that makes sense. After that, you could either keep your bangs however they are, or you can curl them. What I'm using is my middle school straightener. I probably should get another one because it's been like more than 10 years, but I really don't straighten my hair that much, so it really doesn't really matter, I guess. So anyways, I'm using a straightener. It hasn't even been turned on yet, so we should wait. It finally heated up. So I just put it on a level 1. I personally like to curl it away from my face. We will fix it in a minute. It's gonna look kind of weird right now. It looks weird right now. Alright, so all you have to do to like not make it so curly is just run your fingers through it and kind of like straighten it out a little bit. And also, if you like want to go back and fix your curls, it's super easy. Like if you want the curls to be a little tighter, you just hold it on a little bit longer and then turn as well. If you want it a little looser, all you really have to do is just really fast. And also, whenever you turn, that's wherever you start turning, that's where the curl is also gonna start as well. So I'm actually okay with these curls right now. Like I said, usually I would also curl this as well, my little sideburns, or I would curl my, like, try at least to put in some waves. But right now I'm just gonna leave like this because it kind of looks decent. But if you want, you can also put like waves in or curl like the tips of your hair just so it can kind of like match. For the second hairstyle, you're going to do is literally take those bangs out again, which is like curl bangs, and then like everything else is straight. Grab probably like an inch of hair on top next to the bangs that you curled. Actually, you can definitely grab more than an inch. This is pretty much just braiding, so however thick you want your braid to be, grab as many hair that you want. So I'm gonna just probably grab this much, probably a little bit over an inch of hair, and I'm not gonna French braid it, so I'm not gonna grab this whole like side. I'm just gonna grab the top part because we're just gonna braid this. And we're just gonna tie the bottom so it doesn't come loose. I like to come out and just loosen them up by spreading the braid. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. That looks super funky, but it's whatever. So same thing on this side again. So we have that, and I'm just gonna loosen this braid up as well. Alright, so after that, oh snap, pulled my hair. Alright. I've seen people actually just rock it like this, but with like out the curly bangs. and that's cool too, honestly. I have yet to go out like this. But anyways, so for the second hairstyle, you're just going to do a half up, half down. Adding the braid adds texture to the hair. Loosen this out. So this is the second hair. It's probably my favorite right now, and like I said again, you can just curl the tips to just make it look like it blends in. So it's not just like curl or straight, or not unless you want to rock it like that. By all means, do you. But I'm gonna just leave it like this for now. And if you have like different color hair ties, I think that's just even more dope. But I just have black because basic. Alright, so that's the second one. Alright, so the next one, the next hairstyle, you can either have bangs or not have bangs. And if you've seen my what's in my backpack / goals for this semester video, you've seen me do this hairstyle before. And I'm gonna try it with bangs and see how that goes. And if it's not, I'm gonna just tuck my bangs into the braid. So this one, you're gonna have to do French braiding. And if you don't know how to do French braiding and you would like to learn, I'm gonna put in the description below some videos that I found that were useful and helpful. So definitely check those videos out if you need help learning how to French braid. So again, we are just going to grab this top section as well, but it's going to be a little bit thicker, so I'm going to do almost half of my head, so probably like this much, and I am going to French braid. This one you can also loosen it up too if you like, or if you like it to be tight on your head, up to you. So to the other side, to the window, to the wall. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna do a bun. You can do a regular bun, or you could do this knot bun, or whatever kind of bun you want. And I feel like this hair tie is just gonna break on me. Let's hope not. And there we go. I actually don't know how I feel with it with the bangs, so I'm gonna just tuck these bangs inside my braids. And still frame my hair with like my little sideburn things. Are like probably stuck in the braid because I wasn't prepared to do this. So there, it's the third. So those are my 3 favorite go-to hairstyles recently, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, let me know what you think. I want to do a Q&A in my next video, so do me a big favor and drop some questions below. It could be anything from what's your favorite color to what do you think about pollution, or anything. I just want to be an open book and I want to answer questions for y'all. So yeah, you could comment down below, DM me through Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, whatever, email, whatever it is. So yeah.